missing so much. I can see it on your face. So come on in and leave those worries outside this place. Kick off your shoes, make yourself comfortable. Let me massage your feet. Fix you something good to eat. Baby, you deserve this treat. I've been looking forward to this moment since I saw the stress wearing on you. Now that I've got you all to myself, let me show you how a real man takes care of you. Yeah, you've been putting others first, baby, making sure they're doing fine. Now it's your turn to be spoiled. Let me remind you why you're mine. Smooth sailing, baby, no rough waters tonight. Just you here next to me, that's where I wanna be. Yeah. Smooth sailing, baby, no place I'd rather be. Just a little time with you is everything to me. Oh, yeah. Girl, I love these little moments that most people overlook. Just sitting here talking and laughing like we always do. A whole weekend wear us down, pulling us in different ways. That's why I treasure nights like this, when it's just us for a change. No distractions, no interruptions, nothing pulling us apart. Just a little time together, that's my favorite part. Yeah. You've been putting others first, baby, making sure they're doing fine. Now it's your turn to be spoiled. Let me remind you why you're mine. Well, smooth sailing, baby, no rough waters tonight. Just you here next to me, next to me. That's where I wanna be. Smooth sailing, baby, no place I'd rather be. Just a little time with you is everything to me. We've had our share of busy mornings and long exhausting days, but somehow we keep finding time to meet each other halfway. That's one thing I've always loved about us. No matter what we're going through, when the dust settles and it's over, I still want you next to me. Ain't nothing fancy about this evening, no reservations, no big plans, just a little time